Hey gang, welcome back to another tutorial. If you haven't seen my previous tutorials, check my TikTok on making a therapy beat or here on tips to fakey Bixman. Alright, so today's tutorial is how to make anything in pixels. Pixels are the smallest addressable elements in a raster image. All digital pictures have pixels. Pixel is actually abbreviated from picture element. Phone screens, streams, all digital media is made of pixels. That's like when you hear of a phone camera megapixels. Cool, right? Okay, so first you want to make a boundary that allows you to fixate on a pinpoint where the image will be. You have to know a bit of drawing theory to master the style of art. When you render an object, you have to place the object in sunlight. When you have the direction of the sun, you can adjust the image according to how the light will reflect on the image. So here, you can see parts of the beer can drawn, and with your imagination, recreate the shape of the can and how light reflects off the edges of the can. Next, you want to establish the border of the can, or the image you are creating, to simplify where the light reflects. Try to imagine the colors of what your image would look like in the sunlight and add color according to the direction of the sun. Here I show adding the borders and quickly highlighting the edges to render a bright reflection from the sun. Adding red and setting the color to lighten or darken the edges is pretty easy. Just go on what you think the image would look like and follow intuition. You can see I keep the border of the beer can to be consistent with the render of the can. If you like pixel art and you want to make pixel art that you can imagine, give a like. Doesn't the bottom of the can look super nice? Alright, so here I add a highlight of the can. Oops, I tapped the side button of my mouse. Good thing autosave is on, I would've cried. There, you can see the sample of the sunlight, and here's the basics of the beer can. It looks super good already. Excited to see the finished product. Here I recolor the highlight to make the highlight realistic to the color of the can. In pixel art, highlights are the lightened colors and shadows are the darkened colors to reflect how light or dark the area is to the sun. I love how the bottom of the can looks. An important technique that may become natural is to zoom out often to see how the object looks. As you can see, the can is looking realistic. Highlighting and shadowing is my favorite. Here, I add a label to the can for extra effect. Again, drawing theory is important here. After you make the label, you will want to add highlights and shadows. This makes the label look better. Highlighting and drawing gets really fun when you get really good. Adding the color after the base. Doesn't this can look yum? If you're under the age to drink, just wait to drink. So happy with this product. Adding extra highlights, finishing the lid, erase away the border, carve the can, add the tab, and done.